The Hunter Original is the perfect traditional design for a porch like this. It's a heavy-duty cast iron fan, real teak wood blades, perfect to stand up to the elements outside, so you won't get droopy blades. It's got an oil bath motor that'll run smoothly for decades. When you walk up to the house and you see the Hunter Originals and the gas lanterns and these great rocking chairs, you think about the easy life. You want to grab a lemonade or a sweet tea and just relax and wave to your neighbors. The Hunter Original ceiling fan moves a ton of air. If you live in a hot, stuffy climate, you're going to want a fan that works like this one does. It's a 100-year-old design that works just as well as it did when we first released it. It's really the ultimate original traditional ceiling fan.